Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, here we're going to show you how to fix FragPunk login error. So if you're interested, let's get started. So if you're having problems with login here in FragPunk, there are going to be a few things that you could try to resolve this issue. So the first thing that you want to do is you want to make sure that your interconnection is not a problem here. So typically speaking, like for example, you're just not having problems with FragPunk here with login, but also like here, for example, in your mobile device, you're having slow interconnectivity. Well, what you need to do here is you need to make sure that you rest your router. So in this case, maybe turn off your router for about 12 to 20 seconds. And once 12 to 20 seconds is up, you go and turn it on again and see if that actually helps. Like sometimes like routers can overheat. That could be the cause why you're having some internet connectivity issues. And if you have internet connectivity issues, then most likely FragPunk here would also have login errors. Now, also, if 12 to 20 seconds does not work, maybe wait, like for example, 5 minutes or even an hour. Just let it rest. Just let it rest and see if that actually helps with the issue itself. Now, another thing that you could try doing here is you may need to allow FragPunk here into your firewall. Now, sometimes if FragPunk unintentionally you press like no on the firewall when you first start playing it, it will not allow interconnectivity or does not have full interconnectivity. So I would suggest you want to go to your Windows here, go to search, and just type in allow an app through Windows Firewall and select it. Now from here, you want to go and scroll down a bit. You can go and click on change settings, by the way. And from here, you want to look for FragPunk. So in this case, FragPunk, you want to make sure that you allow private and public connections. And once you've done that, you could go and click on OK here. Just make sure to save your settings. As you can see right now, mine is already allowed. So I'm good in that case. Now, another thing that you may want to try doing here is you may need to check the server status for FragPunk. Now, typically speaking, you could check this online. So there are a number of articles here that should notify you with server status or any down report for FragPunk. But the best way for you to know if FragPunk is currently down or they are having some issues with their server, you want to go ahead and basically visit their official page here. So we have X here, which is their official account. And usually they will give you information on what's currently happening right now. So in this case, sometimes FragPunk may have or may be experiencing some downtime issues or their servers are not keeping up with the number of players. So they will notify you here if there are any issues. So if there are any, you may need to just wait for a few minutes or even a few hours, and they should resolve that themselves. And yeah, so the final thing that you could try doing here is you may need to make sure that you have the correct files for FragPunk. So in order for you to do that, you want to go and open up your, in this case, your Steam account if you have it on Steam account. And from here, you want to go to the left side here in your library. You want to right click on it. You want to go ahead and click on Manage. And what we need to do, you want to go to Properties, and from here you want to go to Install Files, and just click on the Verify Integrity of Game Files. Now once you've done that, this will actually check or compare the files you currently have right now on your PC and compare that to their servers just to make sure that you are using the correct files or the files they're currently using actually matches what you currently have right now. But yeah, so in this case, that's about it. Hopefully this video was able to help you like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.